Hello students, let us start with the video of bitwise operators. These are the 6 bitwise operators. First is left shift operator and the symbol is represented along with left shift operator and right shift, bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR and complement. Let us learn one by one. First of all, what is the meaning of these operators? Then the programming concept. What is the meaning of a basically left shift operator? Suppose one number is there. Suppose you are entering 17. First of all, you have to convert this number into binary. The system automatically convert the number when you apply left shift operator, basically left shift or bitwise, any operator, any of these operators, left shift, right shift, bitwise AND, OR, XOR and one's complement in all the operators. By default, the compiler convert this number into binary. 17 when converted into binary, it's 1 0 0 0 1. You can see here 16 plus 1, that is 17. Now what to do next? When you have to left shift this number by 2, then basically you have to shift these ones, these two values, this one and this one, on 2 point to the left. One is shifted here and this one is shifted here, and you have to write zeros in addition to this. Now what is the new number? It's 4 plus 64, that is 68. Let us execute the program. For left shift operator, first of all, as per in previous programs, you have to write header files. Then main function is there, declaration of one value. Suppose you have to enter 17 or any other value. You can convert or you can change or you can apply left shift operator. First of all, you have to enter one integer value. Then using scanf, you can enter the value. And then you can display the value. Entered value is, that is X. And after implementing left shift by 2, the answer is, you can write X, then left shift by 2, like this. Let us execute the program, compile and run. Suppose you enter 17, entered value is 17. After implementing left shift operator by 2, the answer is 68. This one is the first concept of left shift operator. Now what about right shift? Suppose you enter 19. First of all, you have to convert, or already compiler convert the number into binary. 16 plus 2 plus 1, it's 19. It means 1 0 0 1 1. Now simply you have to shift these values to the right, not to the left. But while you shifting the values to the right, the last two values can be eliminated. Only the answer is 1 0 0. What is the meaning of 1 0 0? Basically this value is 4. Let us try this by using C program. Again, you have to write the header files in first step, then declaration of one integer value, enter any integer value, then using scan you can enter the value, display the value whatever entered by the user. After implementing right shift by 2, the answer is X, right shift by 2. Let us execute the program. Now the number is 19 and the answer should be 4. Let us execute. Suppose I enter 19. After implementing right shift by 2, the answer is 4. One thing you have to keep in mind, that while shifting the digits, binary numbers. On the left side, you have to write zeros at the end. While shifting on the right side, you have to eliminate last two numbers. Now, what is the meaning of bitwise AND? These are the values, input values 0, 0, while you are entering both the values as 0. Then the output is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1. Basically, when both the inputs are high, only then the output is high, otherwise the output is low. And you can say output is 0 or false. If both the values are true or both the values are 1, only then the output is 1. Suppose first value is 25 and corresponding binary value is 11001 and second value is entered by the user, suppose 18 10010. You can enter any value and you can calculate according to your choice, no problem. Now 11001 and 10010, when you apply AND operation or bitwise AND, 1 answer is 1, all the other answers are 0 because 100001 and 10 is there. Now when you convert 1 4 times 0, then the answer is 16. It means if you enter 25 and 18 and apply AND operation, the answer is 16. Now what about bitwise OR? If you apply these operation on bitwise OR, first of all understand what is the meaning of OR. OR means either value is 1. If from both the values, if one value is 1, the output is 1. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. If both the values are 0, only then the output is 0. It means the output will be 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. It means it's 27. 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. The output is 27 when you apply bitwise OR. Now what is the meaning of XOR? If you apply XOR, if the inputs are same, then output is 0. If the inputs are different, then the output is 1. It means output is true. It means first value is 0, second is 1, third is 0, fourth is 1 and fifth is again 1. Now check this value. First number is 8, then 2, then 1. 8 plus 2 plus 1, answer will be 11. Again I repeat, in case of bitwise AND, if both the signals are high, only then the output is high. If both the signals are low, then the output is low, otherwise output is high. In case of XOR, if both the values are same, output is 0. If both the values are different, then output is high. Let us implement these using programming concept. AND, OR and XOR. You have to enter two values, one is 25 and second is 18. First you have to enter, in these case x and y means two values, enter first integer value and enter second integer value, then bitwise AND you have to apply AND here, then bitwise OR you have to apply OR here, and XOR, it's the power of caret or caret sign, sometimes also used for power in some of the languages. Let us execute the program. First value is 25 and second value is 18. Now bitwise AND, answer is 16. For OR it's 27. Bitwise XOR it's 11. Basically you have to calculate these values directly, you can't understand. You have to calculate these values by converting these numbers into binary, as far as this concept is there. When you convert these numbers, let us check these values. First case bitwise AND, let us check. Left shift, right shift, then bitwise AND 25 and 18, the answer is 16. What about the second value? Bitwise OR, the answer is 27. And the third value, bitwise XOR, answer is 11. By using copy pen, you can calculate these values and you can check parallelly whether these answers are correct or not. Now the last one is ones complement. Now what is the meaning of basically ones complement? In this case 0 is converted into 1 and 1 is converted into 0. Sometimes we misinterpret these values. If I enter 4, the answer will be minus 5. Now how the answer will be minus 5? Basically this 100 is converted into 011 and in front of these by default some zeros are there. It means by default this is converted into all ones. That's why this value is negative of this number. Let's try to execute this value. If I enter any value, then one value more than, suppose I enter 11, it's minus 12. And if I enter 4 as per in the Excel sheet, the answer is minus 5. If I enter minus 5, then the answer will be 4. Let us try that. If I enter minus 5, the answer will be 4. These are the contents of bitwise operators. I repeat again. One is left shift operator. Then the second is right shift. And third one is bitwise AND, then bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, and ones complement. It's advisable that if you calculate all the contents on copy, you can understand the contents easily. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.